Here's a quick video to show you how to get these glass dome cameras to mount to our wall bracket for it. This wall bracket is pretty small, and what you need to do is first open up the glass dome cover using these hex screws. There is an Allen key with each camera that's provided in the box. This is smaller than the Allen key for the wall mount. Once you've opened up the dome cover, position it with its cable threaded through the wall mount out of this conduit hole, and once you put the camera on top, you'll be able to line up on this screw hole here, this one. Sorry, it's going to be, for this camera, it's going to be on this one, second one here, and third one here. And then you will use these small Allen key type screws to screw in the base of this camera onto the wall mount. So open glass dome cover, position camera on top, screw it in using these screws, make sure your cable is running through here, and then you'll have your camera mounted.